We have a great product. Our product is probably the best in the world, if I could say that. We make laboratory furniture, scientific furniture, fume hoods for biological testing. Kewaunee has been in business for over 100 years, and I think we're here to stay. We're not going anywhere. My name is Kokita Robinson. I've been at Kewaunee for 18 years. And my job title, I'm a QC clerk. I'm a final inspector. I'm the last one that looks at the product before it gets to the customer. My role is to ensure the product is good before it gets to the customer. I clean it, and if we have any imperfections, I make sure that those are good. I ensure that the production ticket is correct with the product.
I'm Oscar Suarez, and my job title is I'm the wood plant manager, and I've been here since 18 years ago. I gotta make sure that everything flows the way how it's supposed to be, and at the same time my focus is to helping people, help them to grow. The same thing as me, pretty much making sure we get the product on time with some good quality.
My name is Lisa Phillips. I'm a materials coordinator. I've been at Kewaunee currently about 7.5 years. My job mainly consists of providing materials for metal and wood. Any parts that is associated with finishing a cabinet, a unit, aprons, anything, I have to supply those parts and make sure they have them.
I started in 2005, and when I started, I was an unloader on the paint line. And then I was moved to the assembly line, which is where the product is put on the lines. I think I've done everything on that line, from where to load the cabinet, to putting the channels in, to hanging the doors, to putting the drawer heads on, to adjusting. I was a final adjuster, and then I moved into that job role as being the final inspector. My skills is being able to perform in a manner to where, like, we're not really on production, but trying to make sure the line is moving at all times. People skills as well, because you rub elbows with each of your coworkers every day.
I started in Kewaunee right when I got out from high school. I started here as a spot welder, and then gave me the opportunity to start running press brakes machines, and I used to love that job. And I think that's one of my favorite jobs. They gave me the opportunity to be the technical lead, and then they gave me the opportunity to be the new team lead on the press department side. And what I'm doing now, I've been doing it for 5 weeks now, and it's a new role. I'm doing it because I love doing what I'm doing. I love my job. I think that one of the main skills what I use on a daily basis is leading by example. To be a good problem solver, having a good attitude with people.
I started out in assembly and wood. I loved it, you know. And I love the fact that I was able to cross-train in any area. I always wanted to learn something different all the time. And most areas in finishing and assembly and wood I can do.
They teach you. They're not just gonna throw you out there. There are a lot of good trainers and teachers in areas where you've never worked at before.
Now that's something Kewaunee to do. They do train you. You ain't going to another job till you learn how to train the job that you currently do. And they are really implementing and trying to get more people cross-trained too.
When I started running equipment, we had to take some classes to know how to use the right tools. And when I went to the supervisor role, the first thing what they decided to do was to send me to leadership classes. My
dad used to work here, and growing up, not one time did I ever hear my dad complain about how hard it was. It seemed like he enjoyed, you know, to come to work. And it's just something that I ended up having respect for, so I ended up wanting to work at Kewaunee.
I like my job. Actually, I love my job. I've been here 18 years. Kewaunee, overall, the company, they care about you. You have people that here that's gonna help them learn and grow. I call it growth too, because like I said, 18 years, I'm still learning. Opportunity is here.
Kewaunee care about their people, and their statement is it matters, and they listen to the people and the voice of the people. Most people stay here 20, 30, even 45 years. Me, I want to be here till I retire too. What I want people to love this place is opportunities. Kewaunee make me believe in opportunities. People like me, you know, I never thought I was gonna be doing this job, right? Yeah, but that's one of the things what I love and I always gonna appreciate about Kewaunee.